Hi everybody, this is Ron from Full Time Dream, and we're going to go ahead and do an interview with some people that have a really interesting way of camping, and we're going to go ahead and introduce you to them now.
Hi there, I'm Scott Green, and that's my wife Megan. She's real excited about being on camera. This is our camper. It's just a cargo trailer. It's a 4x6. We got the idea a few years ago. One of my friends, Kyle, has a camper, same thing, and we thought it was pretty neat. And I'm getting too old to lay on the ground, so I wanted something that would get me off the ground. And we also have a hybrid car. It's electric and gas, and it's the only one at the time that we bought the camper that would pull the camper. So this is what we got. You can take a look at it. We got a couple of side doors. You know, they got the screens or the screen on them, so we can open the windows. Back door, and we got a marine battery on it, and that charges everything. We charge our phones at night. We got lights in there.
Do you have any type of solar whatsoever?
We do. We have a solar panel. We haven't used it because the battery when it's fully charged, we can go several, weeks really without needing to charge it. But
right.
We do have a solar charger too, panel that can sit right out and charge the battery if we need to.
And I see your map on the side. I know that you said that you just got this up and going, but this is all the places that you've been.
That's all we've been to. Yep, we're still missing the 3 southern states to get the continental U.S. and then Alaska and Hawaii. So and we've been all over. There's a picture of our camper inside that we took on most of our trips. So that's our memory of our trips. But we've had our kids. We've done all these trips with our kids, and now they've grown up and don't want us anymore. So so now it's just the 2 of us. But we do the tents here so that when we get out, we can get out and go into our other tent and change our clothes.
Hoping to get, we haven't done it yet, but we want to get the bug net. Like, our friend has a bug net.
Right.
So if it's super hot, we could leave this open. But honestly, the fan really brings in the air. We haven't had a problem even on warm nights with it being cool enough in there. So.
And you said that the friend that you have is the one that actually helped build it, put the doors and everything
he
in?
did everything for us. Kyle Sick did it all for us. His is actually the same size, but he's got about 2 feet here, maybe, yeah, about 2 feet up, and then you can pull out. He's got a whole kitchen set up in here. So the bed is higher. So the bed's higher. We were worried we'd be claustrophobic so close to the ceiling, but I love it like this. Now I think we'll go, I would do the same thing, get another cargo trailer, but a bigger cargo trailer, and maybe we'll get the Ford Lightning to pull it for us. But I would definitely do it again, because I think it's been great. You sleep good.
It's comfortable.
It's very comfortable, and we love it.
Where are you going to be planning on going to next? Or you got your summer pretty much booked up, or are you just...
We'll go to the Adirondacks next. We got that. Next week we're going to the Adirondacks, and then again to the Adirondacks we go inlet area, so 8th Lake, and where are we going to next week?
Limekiln
next week. So we'll do most of the Adirondacks, but I would say we're hoping to do a winter trip to the southern states there that we haven't done yet. So I don't know what else.
Yeah, once our kids are out of college,
Yeah.
then we'll think bigger, going farther west again and exploring some of the places we missed the first time we went out west.
Yeah.
So, well, the first few times. We've been out west 3 times.
Yeah, 3 times.
But there's a lot more out there we'd like to explore. And a lot in New York State, a lot of campgrounds we haven't hit. So.
Now on that note, if you like the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. If you have any questions or whatever, we can go ahead and put them down below, and we may be able to have them check it out, and
Sure.
answer
Give it a
some
thumbs
comments
up.
if you got it. All right, on that note, thank you guys very much.